Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see recently watched reels. Let's launch the Instagram app, let's go on reels and let's start scrolling. For example, first thing, if you're still on the scrolling function and you didn't actually go back to your profile or search, all you gotta do is to scroll back up. Scroll back up will give you the exact reels that you watched. The issue with this is that if you actually go back to your profile and you lost the count or the history of the watched reels, next thing you're gonna do is you wanna go to the top right corner where the three lines are, and you're gonna see you have the option to look at your activity. You click on your activity and you will see all the interactions that you have done. For example, let's hope that the reel that you're looking for, you actually like it, comment it, or you tag someone, some of your friends, or you did some interactions with it, right? This will simply help you to find the reel throughout the interactions history, likes, comments, tags, sticker posts, reviews. If you haven't interact with the reels, well, you're essentially out of luck. Subscribe and come back for more.